students, today we are going to learn about a few concepts related to conversion of fractions into decimals. Our first topic is terminating decimals. Now what is terminating decimals? Terminating decimals are those numbers that have a fixed number of digits after the decimal point. Let us take an example to understand terminating decimal. 7 by 5. How do I convert this fraction into a terminating decimal? 5. 1 times will give us 5. Now, on subtraction, you get a remainder 2. You know 2 cannot be no longer be divided by 5. So we take the help of decimal. On putting a decimal point over there, you get a 0. Now how many times is 5? You get 20? 4. So we write 20. Now no remainder. So 7 by 5 will give us 1.4. As the definition suggests, fixed number of places after the decimal point. Our next topic is non-terminating recurring decimal. In non-terminating recurring decimal expansion, the decimal place will never come to an end and will always be repetitive in nature. Let us understand the concept with the help of an example. 2 by 9. As you know, 2 cannot be divided by 9, so we need the help of decimal. Once we take decimal point, we can add 0 here. 9 how many times will give us close to 20? 2 times. 80. The remainder we get is 2. Due to decimal, you can add a 0 again. Now again 2 times 80. Again 2. Due to decimal, you are in 0. But again 2 times 80. Remainder 2. So students, you can see the decimal place is continuing and also repetitive. So 2 by 9 can be written as 0.222 ... Since it is impossible for us to continue writing 2, how can we write this? We write 0.2 and give a bar on top of 2. This bar is called recurring, which means that there is a continuation of the number 2. Our last topic for today is decimal by decimal division. We take an example to understand the concept better. 6.8016 divided by 1.04. In this type of division, you notice that there is a decimal point both in the numerator and in the denominator. So the first step to proceed with this division is to eliminate the decimal from the denominator. Students, you can see there is 2 places after the decimal. So you shift the decimal point here to here and get rid of the decimal from the denominator. Now you have to do the same thing with the numerator. So you take the decimal point 1 step, 2 step and place it here. So the number we get now is 680.16 by 104. The next step of this to continue the division. 680.16 divided by 104. If we multiply 104 with 6, we get 426. When subtracted, you get 56. Now since there is a decimal in the dividend, you automatically have to put it over here. You bring down 1. When you multiply the number with 5, you get 520. Again on subtracting, we get 41. You bring down the next number, which is 6. If you multiply 104 with 4, you get 416. So students, the initial number was 6.8016 divided by 1.04. The resultant is 6.54. I hope you understood today's lesson. Thank you.